Ho, 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 ho!
I need scissors, a hole punch, blue, a yellow of paper, sheet of paper, a pencil, squeeze, a string, a rubber. I draw a star. I cut out the star. I glue sequins. I decorate the star. I make a hole for the string using a hole punch. I attach the string. I wait for one side to dry. I decorate the other side. This the finished Christmas tree decorations. The star. Look, this is the star. This decorations is beautiful and festive. I made this decoration because I like stars. I wish you health, happiness, peace, and love during this Christmas and in the new year.
Ho, 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 ho!